Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RELY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, does a very good job of mapping out a very logical question. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where it was toward its lows and where the price opened up to where it ultimately closed right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, after that, nasty gap down, the bulls did show some signs of strength by bouncing all the way up there. However, that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 30 cents. Why is 30 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, so a bounce that's actually a bounce is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price isn't going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 30 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when it was essentially flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to head back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase progress forward as 30 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are being built, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So nice way to close out the week with the bounce. We'll see if the bounce can build momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.